Hi, just been with Pierre Driving School. We're doing a driving lessons on Linden Boulevard. Driving lessons. One of the area that we cover here at Pierre Driving School. We do cover this area here. If you're new here, you want us to cover this area, put in the comment below. Until then, we're going to cover our left and right on Linden Boulevard, Brooklyn, New York. One of the busy area here in the early morning. Keep going, pay attention here. Covering my right side, keep pushing from there. We're gonna do a 2-lane change, okay? Pay attention here with me. We're gonna do a 2-lane change here. We're gonna change 2 lane over to the left whenever it's possible, at all costs. So much I'm paying attention here. Always expected, unexpected. Pay attention to your surrounding. We're moving 1 lane right. Signal to the right. Mirror right. Shoulder right and bring it in. Okay, continue to go. Signal to my left, showing that car here that was coming. Signal to my left again. Pay attention here. Nobody is moving in here. It's closing in. Okay, beautiful here. Can get hectic here. Signal back to my right. We're gonna right turn at the light here. All right, shoulder right, and bring it over. Beautiful. Left turn at the light. No, gonna right turn at the light. All right, shoulder right, and make the turn. Traffic light, right turn. Yellow light, not for student, folks. It's driving lesson here on Linden Boulevard, Brooklyn, New York. One of the area here we cover at Pierre Driving School. At Pierre Driving School here we cover everything driving. And if you want us to do anything for you in particular, put it in the comment below, as that's where we pick up most of our video topic. And this driving school here, we cover all the things there are for you to do, not only to be safe on the road, and also to be able to go places by yourself, and hopefully to pass your driver's test if you do have a road test coming up. Nevertheless, driving is driving. The state you're living in may be different from the state that we are in, but that doesn't mean it change anything of how we're supposed to be driving. See, they're already honking at me. You're all right. Shoulder right and make the turn and fall. You see how much I'm paying attention? Fall right into your lane, into our lanes. Okay. Right back here. At the traffic light, gonna make a right turn onto the main road. All right. Shoulder right, fall out to my main road, and make that right turn, fall to my closest right lane. All right, folks? To my closest right lane. Okay, why do I turn into the main road, not to the far right? Because I want to keep straight. If I be on the far right, I will not be able to come onto the main road. But for the purpose of the road test, whenever you turn, you have to continue to drive to the closest lane. you turn and enter. All right, so that's why I make that turn. Come to the right and come to the main road and keep to the far right, because I want to continue to drive on the Linden Boulevard. Otherwise, if I was driving, no, didn't have to come on the main road because I'm going to be making a left turn. I would have been falling onto my closest right lane. That's the right way of getting it done. Pay good attention if you guys notice to my surrounding. I'll do a left lane change. Stay with me here. When it's clear, it's no rush. It's when it's clear. It's not clear, continue to go. See what I'm saying? I'm not gonna hold back the traffic if I don't get clearance. If it was clear, then I would have taken action. Same thing I did this. But that's with poor judgment in traffic. No clearance, no go. Jesus, the car behind me make me look small. Because the lady is cutting left and right. Never mind, we're gonna keep it straight here. Hope this lady go around me because I've showed it to you guys. She's gonna come to my left side here. She's just driving, and that's an older lady too. Jesus, I'm okay. Yes, folks, you see, I wanted to go on the left lane, but the traffic was moving. I didn't have enough room to go over to the left. I'm not gonna go on the left, and I'm gonna keep going in here when I can, then come back on to my left. You know, it's what safe. Some people, they would have held back the traffic back there, try to move over, then that will not be right. That's not the right thing to do. You have to always keep the traffic flowing. I do with test, poor judgment in traffic, and in real life, that can lead to trouble. Anything in particular you guys want us to cover, please put in the comment below. If you haven't met before, I'm Ben with Pierre Driving School. I'm one of the instructors here. So on this channel, we cover everything about driving. If you're new here, you may want to consider to subscribe and hit the notification scribe. So each time we drop a video, you'll be the first one to be notified. If you have a question for me, you want me to answer personally, put in the comment below. My question for you guys, how many lessons did you do before you pass your road test? How many lessons did you do before you pass your road test? Or if you have a road test coming up, where would it be? We also cover mock tests here in this driving school. So if you're ready to take a mock test, to see your strength, you can check our website, pierrepaulsdriving.com, and we'll do a mock test which will give you a full and honest opinion where you stand for your lesson. Oftentimes, people think that they're ready to pass the road test after doing our mock test. They end up taking lesson for them to pass the test because they realize that it's a lot for them to do than they thought that they were ready. Remember, driving requires some strong responsibility, and in New York here personally, to pass your road test is not about driving, it's how they want you to drive. You need to understand those so you can deliver to the lacking. Otherwise, you will be taking the road test until you weak before you pass. See here? Heavy traffic here. You have to do a lot of things that you have to do. You see? Traffic is coming crazy on either side. Thank you so much. The person behind me being real considerate. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. At the light coming up, we're making a left turn. Heavy traffic here, but it is Brooklyn. Yes. This truck also is making a left turn as well. It's gonna be tough, but it is what it is. Okay, not pulling in folks until I'm clear. Okay, I'm clear here, mirror left, shoulder left, and go with the turn. It ain't no rush. Making another left turn here again. Okay, thank you. The car in front of me was keeping coming. I want to make sure that this was clear. Okay, at the traffic light here, we're gonna make a right turn. Mirror right, shoulder right, and bring the turn over. Controlling the main line, but it's coming, we fall back. Right turn at the light. Yellow lights is not for student. Okay? Right shoulder right. Traffic light, right turn. It's gonna be a tough right turn here if this stiff foot is not moving. Yep, it's gonna be a tough right turn if this truck isn't moving. Okay, it's moving great. Great. Always forward planning all your moves. Always see what your next move is going to be. Okay, what are we having here? You're in the truck reversing. You know what? Keeping it straight, folks. Don't need that headache. Yes, sir. Yes. We don't need that. Keeping it straight. At the light coming up, right turn. You see, forward planning your moves. I wanted to make a right turn here, but I already hear the truck reversing, and I see traffic backed up. I'm not gonna get myself in that situation. Then I move out for the next block. I'm making the right turn here and go around, folks. Okay? All right, shoulder right. See? Keep moving. Traffic still flowing. right turn at the light here, then I'm gonna go around at the next line, make a left turn, getting me back in route. Okay? Always forward planning your move, see ahead what's going on to see how to approach. Mirror right, shoulder right, okay? Making my right turn. Then at this light coming up, I'm gonna make a left turn, put me back in route. All right, folks? It's all about forward planning all your steps. You know what I mean? Anticipate potential hazard. Keep the traffic flowing. Making a left turn here. Get right back in the route that I want it to be. There you have it, folks. This lesson was about driving lesson on Linden Boulevard. If you have anything for us to cover in particular, put in the comment below. All right. So we all about driving in this channel, and I'm Ben, one of the instructors here at Pierre Driving School. If you need our help, check the link in the description below. Until then, keep practicing. Left turn here, put me right back into route. Okay. Left turn here, mirror left, shoulder left. See, backs in traffic. The truck's still back there fighting. Okay, pulling over here to the right. Go up here. Mirror right, shoulder right, and bring it right over. All right, there you have it, folks. Take care now, guys. Bye-bye.